Bigfoot country. Alright, we're coming up on an actual Sasquatch nest right now. It's right down in here. Hi everyone, I'm Chris Bauer. I'm a brand ambassador for light painting brushes and Coast flashlights. I'm up here on Mount St. Helens down in the foothills in one of the many lava tubes. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the Abominable Snowman light paintings. So the Abominable series has been really fun to make, mostly because it's really easy. I'm using the light painting brushes Unicorn Plexi the light painting brushes universal connector. You just attach any tool to that universal connector and stick your flashlight in there. I'm using the Coast HP5R here for the example. You have the Unicorn blade, the universal connector, and your flashlight. Your camera set on bulb. Let's just do a regular pose, kind of like this. Start out light in the left hand. I'm going to light up my right arm. Just turn it on and just work your way down. Make a big Yeti finger. Just bring it back up, come down. Another one. Just come all the way off. I'll be wearing a long black t-shirt so you won't get this weird fleshy color mixed in with the light. You just keep it all black. And you don't even have to like be perfect. In fact, the less perfect you are, a little bit of wiggle, you might have more natural looking fur on your Abominable. So you get to the end and then shut it off. And your Yeti will be standing there, your Abominable Snowman. A couple tips would be, you're going to find that the spill from the light, as you're done with your light painting, your picture's going to pop up and you're going to see your shoes in there maybe. You can always just make sure to cover the area, a little bit, like maybe kind of wiggle a little bit, get that shoe out of there. You don't want to see hiking boots on your Yeti. It's kind of weird. After you're done, go back through the area, without overdoing it, because you're going to probably cover up your light painting or overexpose the area that's already got some light in it. So just a little fluff on there. Knock your shoes out and bring in maybe some of the foreground. If you're in the background, you don't want to overdo what's directly behind your light work because you might wash it out. Alright, I'm gonna get back in this Sasquatch nest ways and find a couple nice angles to create some examples. And yeah. There were definitely Bigfoot and Yeti and Abominable Snowman in there. Try this and then move on and make up new things. Try different plexi blades, try different colors, try different frequencies of strobe, whatever it may be, to create something original for you. Really looking forward to see what you create. Tag me in your pictures, I love to see them, and have fun out there.